So it was pretty good, and I really enjoyed meeting Michael, who's a dream come true, because we have been watching him in the TV program. His preparations were awesome, and the way he narrated everything, he described the thing, it was really very good.
I had a really good time. I didn't expect this kind of atmosphere. No? To be very frank, I haven't attended this kind. Being a career woman, I really don't find the time to attend this kind of a workshop. For us, workshop is mostly with connection with our profession. So this was a surprise, and it was really enjoyable.
The workshop was very interesting. There were a lot of new things to learn. And what I take away from it was the food photography tips and the silent tips, and overall it was a wonderful experience.
They're really good, and peace of mind showed while he was describing his preparation. You need to be a good person to make such lavish dishes. Without an effort, I mean, whatever he was doing, that was without an effort. And that really proves that he is the master. And he takes care about his team also, like that.
I think they're very enthusiastic, and that makes a hell of a difference. He really had a keen sense to impart knowledge about cooking, about the art and craft of cooking, and I think it was very nice.
I like the way it was conducted. It was casual, and yes, we learned a lot. I thought this might be easy to interact with. You could ask him questions, and he was perfectly willing to stop and ask them anywhere to be asked.
It's nice to be here. It shows that it's a youngsters platform where they can chat, they can have a nice time with a good food.
Absolutely, I'd like to come here more often. I think it's really nice, a wonderful place.
And the view was good, nice atmosphere. I'm planning to come back probably for lunch because as told in the evening there's a lot of young people and music. Not really my speed, so I'll come back for the lunch.
The food is awesome, the drinks were amazing, and I have to say, even the staff, I really love the staff. They were so good. They were taking care of everything. So it was nice.
It's a good place, a nice chill out place to come relax with your friends. It's a nice place to really come here again.
Blog Adda is Blog Adda. It's a place where bloggers meet, learn new things, and we hope you keep doing similar things in future.
All that I can say about Blog Adda is that ever since I enrolled with Blog Adda, my leadership has quadrupled, something which I never expected. And because of this quadrupled leadership, I made new friends also. Kudos to them. I think I'm looking forward to more similar such workshops.
I like this initiative from Blog Adda. So far, Blog Adda has been, online, and now I like that they are taking things offline. As a previous blogger, I'm looking forward to interacting more closely with Blog Adda, taking part more actively in offline programs.
I think it's a very good initiative because nowadays so many people are into lot of cooking, for that matter they want to learn new things. So when you have something like Blog Adda organizing such things, helping people to tell them how they can make their blogs better, I think it's a very good initiative for a lot of newcomers and a blogger who don't know how to go about it. So it's a nice initiative.
To begin with, for me this was the first opportunity to attend or rather be part of the hosting of any event like this, and to begin with I must appreciate the pain and effort that Blog Adda has taken to get the people across to attend a program like this. And secondly, as far as the participants are concerned, that's again a second praise. They came with a lot of enthusiasm, they were quite interested to know a lot of things. So I think it's an effort that is worthwhile, it has to grow. Interaction with commercial institute like ours, we run restaurants, and participants who are the customers or our customers and food lovers, there is always a positive feedback that they get, you know. And then yeah, as far as Michael is concerned, Michael is an institute himself. He comes with a lot of knowledge, experience, and not always every common person has an opportunity to meet across somebody who is an authority in food. So I think Michael, with his skill set, his display of skill sets, if he can interact with somebody and you can blog a duck and create a platform like this, so I think that's worth it. So overall for me, for everyone, there is a win-win situation.
Workshop was fun, it was enjoyable. Meeting some of the participants was great fun. Showing them a few things was interesting. I hope they understood and learned something. I think it's very important for food bloggers because they need to know the intricacies of food. They need to know more about how restaurants run and operate. In order to be able to talk about it, you need to know your subject. So these workshops are very important.